Welcome back to YK Web Solutions. I'm Yusuf Khan. Today I'm going to show you transparent bootstrap login form. How do we create it? If you can see this picture, it's something like that. And if you want to see the real one, then I will create it for you. How do we do it? Yeah. So let's start. So I've created this form here, right? And what we do, we have to create a CSS file as well. So I just create a CSS file, and if we do this DOM CSS, yep, DOM.css. So this is DOM CSS and this is form HTML. So first I bring the basic structure of HTML. So this is HTML, yeah, and I give a title transparent. Oops. Bootstrap form, login form, yeah. And to style this, I just give like a, to just make it more thing English, which is N, and we have to do like meta chart set UTF-8, yeah, and meta name viewport width is equal to device width and initial, oops, scale, initial scale is equal to 1. Oops. Is equal to 1. Right, now we'll start bringing some style sheets. So link release style sheet. So my style sheet is dom.css. So first I bring, then we need some bootstrap files to be included and JavaScript file of bootstrap. So what we do, we just go here. I show you the resources from where you can include. It saves you a lot of time and you don't have to write down the whole code. So bootstrap, so this is Bootstrap. The version of Bootstrap at the moment it's 4.0 is available, but I'm going to use 3.37. yeah, so in the top you just click here, you jump on the 3.37. so on the getting start you have to find the file. So there it's a CDN, component delivery network, Bootstrap, and what you do, you just copy this, yeah, here, and then you have to take this JavaScript here, right? Yeah, then give a little space on your head tag closing. Then you have to put one more tag which is not available here. So what I do, I just go to W3 school. So W3 Bootstrap. Yeah, if you just write down W3 Bootstrap, will bring W3 Bootstrap tutorial, and then you can go there. And if you can bring it down, and this is an example, you just go here, try it yourself, and you'll find something. So this is the Ajax file which I'm going to copy from there. Right, now what we do, we will go to CSS section of Bootstrap and just copy paste a form from there. So if we go to the CSS, and here's a form on your right hand side, and what I do, just copy paste the whole thing in the body tag. Right, and Control S. Now we will see how does it look. So if we go to our page, yeah, and where I saved this, here it is. So this is our initial, how does it look like. So let me clean this because we don't want this. Right, so how does it look like? I don't think so it's responsive, it's very congested. So what I'm going to do, just define some CSS. So over here on CSS, but before I go to the CSS, I think I should clean up some things on my form. And I just delete this. Yeah. So this is a form. Yeah, on the top, I just give a heading H1 Bootstrap Transparent Login Form. Right, and I just bring it in the center. So we just give a style, text alignment, center. This is the initial of thing. Now in the beginning of the form, I need to make it more responsive and make a box, something like this. Yeah, so what I do, I have to design it and bring row and columns. Yeah, so what I do, I just create a one div class. After body, yeah, div class container dash, yeah, and then close it. And within that container class, I have to put my raw, which is div class is equal to raw yeah, and within that raw we will attend another column. We're going to put a column there which is dev class is equal to is equals to column empty for column MD4, sorry, SM4, this one, not MD4, SM4, because we are doing it from a while as well, yeah. Column extra small dash 12 and finish it, yeah. Then the same column MD4, column SM4, and column extra small, I'm going to have it again, yeah. So I have to close it, sorry. And the same thing I'm putting again, yeah, and inside of this I'm going to put my form. And then I have to do indentation, so you will know which is the closing. This is the closing one, yeah. And in the form, what I'm going to do in the form, we put the class. So form class form container, form container, and what I do, I just put it here. There's another class called BG which I'll explain in my CSS section, yeah. So I'll include that. So form class container, and in the form class container, yeah, I'm going to do a div class form group. Yes, fantastic, I've done it. And I put this BG. Now let's go to our DOM CSS. Now first thing I'm going to provide is BG. In the BG, background, oops, URL, and what's the picture name? So what I do, I just get that picture here. So I just go there, take this picture, Control C, then come back to here in my folder. You don't have to do this. I was just bringing the picture, which is the background picture like this. This is the background pictures to come. So that'll be bg.jpg. Yeah, and what I define is no repeat, center, and center fixed. Then we have to include some more things inside the BG here, which will be dash webkit dash background and dash background size cover. Oops. Then we have to do another one, which is dash mouse background dash size cover. Then we have to do another one. This is dash o dash background dash size cover. Then about the width, we keep it 100%. And let me bring this background color, which is cover. Then width, as I have 100%, and height I keep 100 ph. Yeah, and now I'm going to define our background color. So the background color, yep, is RGBA, and inside the RGB I give some values, hexadecimal values, not hexadecimal values, just the values. 103, 214, and 0.4. That's it. So this is all you have to do for your BG class. Right, let me see how does it look. See, it's coming like this. Still we have to work out on it. The heading coming is there, but we will do something about it. What we can do, because it's coming on the bottom, so I need to put it on the top. So if you see, as it was in bottom, now it coming on top. See, so Bootstrap Transparent Login Form, and I can define further on our fonts and everything. Now let's go to DOM CSS again. Yeah, and this time I'm going to describe form container. The form container, let me show you this. This is the class form container. Yeah, so I just Control C dot Control V form container, And inside form container, I defined the border. It's a box of your login form. So the border will be 1 pixel solid. So border, so padding will be 50 pixel and 60 pixel. Margin top would be 20 VH. And WebKit box shadow 10 pixel, then 10 pixel, then 26 pixel, then 11 pixel, RGBA. In RGB, I'll give 4 values: 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. 4 zeros, and the one last one will be no 0, 0, 0, 0 0.75. Yeah. 0.75. Yeah. Then we go to next, which is Moz. Yeah. Moz and box shadow, which is same like above when we have WebKit. Tan pixel. Yeah. 10 pixel. 26 pixel. (11 pixel), and then we do RGBA. And in the RGBA, yeah, we do like 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, and another one 0.75. Then box shadow. Then in the box shadow, I will put like 10 pixel, and then 10 pixel, same, then 26 pixel, then 11 pixel, then RGBA. Same 0, 0, 0.75. And then what we do background color. So the background color which I use, that will be background color. We just give a RGBA value because I'm creating the same like what I've shown you in the picture. So that will be 17 and 103 and 214.4, and then terminate with semicolon. Yeah, this is all we have in our form. And if we just bring it here, see, so your shadow is here, your everything is here. Yeah, and this is the form. Now I'm going to expand it a bit. So because the button doesn't look good, I want buttons something like this, as I shown you. So what I do, I just go to the form. Where's the button? So the button, it has a class of button default. Instead of default, I'm going to do button primary, then button. Oops, button. Let me see, does it work? No. Let me see. Yep. Yeah. It was block, which I forgot to write down here. So block button. See? So it's, yeah. Now if you see in this picture, it says remember me. Over here, it should check me out. So what I do, I just change it from remember me. Yeah. So you can see it's the same like this. And if you want this heading here, create a transparent bootstrap form. So I just bring it down and make it change. So how I will change is, where is my heading? Yeah, here it is. Yeah. Text center, color white. It's here. Sorry, I forgot to delete that one. Funny little bit. I'm supposed to control X rather than control C. So see, it's similar to that which I've created, and if you see, that'll be responsive as well. You can see it's responsive. Yes, it is. Right. See, it's changing its size according to the device size. So this is how you create your Bootstrap transparent login form, because it's transparent as well, so you can see through the picture. It has a shadow which I defined on my CSS. Right guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to like my video, and if you subscribe my channel, it will also motivates me to bring more videos. Hopefully I'll show you another something interesting on HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So take care. Cheers. Bye.